Hey guys, welcome back to
Apa di
Dalamnya.
dalamnya? Yes. Welcome back to Apa di dalamnya. Been a long time that we haven't make video together with Isaac and Grace. They've been busy. They've been travel all over the world, doing stuff for school, right? And they've been busy sleep. They've been busy going play outside. But today is special day because Isaac and Grace gonna show you. I mean, sweet. All right.
What's inside?
So what we're gonna find what's inside. All right.
That was her.
We're gonna find out what's inside this cup, guys. What's inside this cup?
It's not any. No.
I mean, nothing. That actually is nothing. This cup. It just wanna. If we put something,
Cold.
the color,
Cold.
especially cold water, the color would change to
Purple.
purple. So right now it's empty, right? Right now it's empty.
So now we are going to test it.
Okay, test it. Grace gonna get some water. Make sure you drink it too, Grace. Show it in front of camera.
Okay, so
that you are real.
normal
water.
temperature has no effect, right?
Wait. That one's, you need to drink it first. So make sure it's not danger.
Why would you want to drink it if it's dangerous?
You wanna test it first. Isaac, go try. People wanna see it.
I'm not dying.
Hey,
It's real water.
it's real water.
And then we add ice.
Okay, look. Wait, people need to see. Turn the camera. Wait. Right there. Put ice. Go get it. Ice. Ooh.
And it's purple.
Now it's purple. See? So we're gonna cut it. What is
Ow.
inside? Why it's happened like that?
It's gonna be plastic.
Okay, let's find out, guys. Let's find out. Is it really plastic or not? Huh?
Or is it chemical?
Or is it just unknown?
Bleach.
Or is bleach? Let's go find out.
We can't see ourselves.
Can't see yourself. Here you go.
Unpopular opinion, cold water is better than room temperature water.
Okay. Kids, don't do this at home, okay? You have to have your parents with you when you're holding knife. Because I don't want people saying, hey, that video teach me how to use. Alright, so this
Oh, it got
purple
cut.
color we gonna throw away, right? We gonna throw away. Because there's ice here. We're gonna throw away ice.
Oh.
Throw away your ice. Alright.
What is that cup for?
Now this one, I just want to show you. We put regular water. It's empty right now. Alright. Water.
Hey, it won't change.
Yeah, that's why I would show it the difference.
Oh.
Put water
It's a control group.
and put ice.
Red.
Okay, there's ice right there. See, the
This is a nice
price is
set.
still the same. I mean, the color is still the same, but that cups be changed to right there.
No, the purple's running out.
It's running out because why, Grace?
It's not cold anymore.
It's not cold anymore. Good answer. Okay, we gotta find out now what's inside.
It's inside a knife.
Okay. Metal.
In the empty. You see empty right here? We're gonna cut it.
It's not
Find out
even
why.
purple. Nice.
Good.
Oh,
Look,
I like this one.
you ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god! It's plastic.
Oh my
Yeah.
god. I cannot believe
You
it.
gotta wow like that.
And nothing happened.
You're not done cutting yet.
Okay. Man. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard a little bit. They need some energy to do this. Some power extra.
Because it keeps bending.
Oh, just cut from the middle here.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Crack it right
Oh, I
there.
could have sliced your finger.
See, there's nothing left. So actually, see, like all solid here. It's nothing in the middle. Nothing in the middle, Isaac, Grace. Nothing in the middle. They're
Wait,
all
wait.
solid.
You thought there was something in the middle?
Yeah. Look, solid, guys.
Sharp edges. Just kidding, it's just plastic.
So this what happened. So the one that make change, just this chemical. No, chemical.
Now this one.
The plastic, the one when it's cold, I don't know. How you say it? Say it, Grace.
Basically, they put bleach, dirt, and cloud water inside the plastic. So this is normal plastic. And then in this plastic, when they melt down the plastic, they put bleach, dirt, and cloud water inside the plastic. And then they freeze it, and then it's like that.
How do you think, Isaac?
Oh, what she said, but salt water.
Oh yeah, and dye to make it like, you know, change colors.
Yeah.
That's it.
And blueberries.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, that's it for today. So you find out what's inside this blue cup, right? It's nothing actually, just the this
Bleach,
thing,
dirt, and cloud water.
just the plastic made from different materials. That's it. That's it guys. Please
Like,
subscribe, comment,
And cut.
and subscribe.
and that's it guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye now.
Bye. Best 8 hours.